English together.
Ordering food online.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Oh no, I didn't cook. I used a food delivery app.
Really? What did you order?
I ordered sushi. It was so easy. Just a few clicks, and food came to my door.
That's cool. I sometimes use food delivery too. Last week, I got pizza and pasta.
Nice. Many people use apps now. It's very popular.
Yes, but I think we pay extra money for the delivery.
That's true. It's not cheap. But it saves time when I'm busy.
Have you used a food delivery app before? Write 1 if yes or 2 if no in the comments.
I understand. I usually shop at the supermarket. But yesterday, I tried online grocery shopping.
Oh, how was it?
It was interesting. I ordered fruits, vegetables, and milk on the computer.
Wow, that sounds easy. Did you like the quality?
Yes, it was good. The apples were fresh, but I couldn't touch or smell them before.
Yes, that is different. I like to see food before I buy it.
Me too. But online shopping is comfortable when I have no time.
That's true. Maybe I will try it this weekend.
Good idea. You can compare prices too.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.